what's up guys? Welcome back to the Life of Mr. E. Today we are going to be painting, not just any painting, hand painting. So we're not going to need these. We're going to be using our hands today. Let's get right to it. All right guys, so right here, we've got our canvases, our water, and our paint. So let's get started. Blue, purple, yellow, and red. All right guys, so we're gonna move our stuff for now. We're gonna move our water over here. We're gonna move our canvas over here. Now we're gonna get our paint ready. Now for our first color, we have yellow. Now we have our blue. Now we have purple. Now time for red. Alright guys, so now it's time to paint. That all of our paint is out ready and we have our canvas. Let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're gonna get ready to paint. So we have our color red right here. Now we gotta get our handle in, pretty sure. Alright guys, so here we have it. It's a lot of red. Alright guys, so we're gonna place a handprint right here. Hold it down for a little bit and come up. Now we go like that. Like this. Like that. I'm gonna grab a little bit more paint. Hey. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go up to somebody and slap them, so let's go. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't do that. So guys, now time to wash your hands. We have our bucket of water right here. And then we just sort of scrub. Look at the water turn red. Okay, all right guys, so now we take our towel and we rub it all off. Now we're gonna do another color. I'm thinking blue. So let's get our hands all up in blue, just like this. Now we have a blue hand. So I'm just gonna do it like down the middle, like this. And like when all of them are touching like this. Get a little bit more in there. You have a sort of like a plus in the middle, it looks like, if you could blend it in a bit. All right guys, now it's time to wash your hands again, so let's go. Look at all that blue mixed with red. What do you think about my painting so far? It's not done, but it's gonna look pretty good. Check it out, so now we're gonna do another color. So we're gonna get some You really gotta mix it in your hands pretty good to get that nice color. Now down the middle. Oh. Alright guys, so this is the end product. I don't know what to say about it, but I like it. To me, this looks like a king of the hands in the middle and the people around him worshiping him. Maybe this video could inspire you guys to do something creative today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought, and I'll see you guys in the next video.